Have you ever listened to a BMW 328i and thought, this car looks sporty, but why does it sound so quiet? What if I told you that with just a simple exhaust modification, you could transform the elegant whisper into an aggressive roar? Today, we're diving into the world of muffler and resonator deletes on the BMW 328i, one of the most popular mods among enthusiasts. Stick with me until the end, because I'll give you the ultimate answer. Is it really worth doing, or will it leave you with regrets? Background: the BMW 328i has always been a driver's favorite. Whether it's the classic inline-six models from the E90 generation, or the turbocharged four-cylinder found in the F30. The 328i blend performance with everyday comfort. But from the factory, BMW engineers designed the exhaust system to be quiet, refined, and friendly to all kinds of drivers. That's great for luxury. But for enthusiasts, it can feel like the car is being held back. This is where muffler and resonator deletes come in. By removing these components, you unlock the raw, unfiltered sound of your BMW's engine. What it does. So, what exactly happens when you perform a muffler and resonator delete? First, the muffler, whose main job is to quiet down exhaust gases, is taken out. Without it, the car's exhaust becomes much louder with a deeper and throatier tone. Second, the resonator, which smooths out and cancels certain sound frequencies, is also removed. This adds more rasp, growl, and in some cases, a touch of pops and crackles when you let off the throttle. The result? A BMW 328i that no longer hides behind silence. Instead, it announces its presence every time you hit the gas. Driving experience? When driving, the difference is night and day. At idle, the car suddenly has a muscular growl that turns heads. During acceleration, especially on highway pulls, the sound is raw and aggressive, almost like a track-ready machine. Some drivers even say it makes the car feel faster, simply because of the sound feedback. But there are downsides. On long drives, the constant drone in the cabin can get tiring. If you're used to a peaceful ride, this mod might not be the best for you. And of course, depending on where you live, local laws and emissions regulations could make this modification illegal for street use. Cost and practicality? One of the reasons this mod is so popular is the cost. Compared to a full aftermarket exhaust system, a muffler and resonator delete is much cheaper. For many enthusiasts, it's the most budget-friendly way to bring new life to their 328i. And while horsepower gains are minimal, the sound improvement alone often feels like money well spent. Final verdict? So, is the muffler and resonator delete on a BMW 328i worth it? If you want to add excitement, personality, and an aggressive soundtrack to your car without breaking the bank, then yes. This modification delivers exactly what you're looking for. But if comfort, long drives, or strict regulations matter more to you, it might not be the best choice. At the end of the day, it all comes down to this. Do you want your BMW 328i to stay quiet and refined, or do you want to finally roar like a performance car was meant to be?